What if it were possible to get paid $47 to $67 every time you translated a string of text or document? That's exactly what we're doing right now, and it's never been more profitable. Here, last week I earned a total of $3,087.56 in pure profit. Wouldn't it be nice to wake up to that kind of money in your bank account instead of seeing it always decrease? I tell you, I've been making money online for a while now, but the thrill of waking up to sales never gets old. So, what's the secret? How do I pull it off? It all comes down to a secret, untouched platform. It's the secret sauce that pays us $47 to $67 for translating documents and strings of texts. For instance, we're given a document in English, and we could easily get paid $47 for translating it into Japanese. You see, right now, billions of people around the world aren't able to communicate with foreigners due to language barriers, and that's why they're willing to pay you money to translate in a local language. But here's the problem. You probably don't know multiple foreign languages, or perhaps none at all. And that's where Translate to Profit comes in. Translate to Profit is the world's first app that uses breakthrough artificial intelligence, which allows us to get paid $47 to $67 each time we translate a document or simple string of text, without needing to know any foreign language whatsoever. See, after making a pile of cash from this, we decided to take things to the next level by helping ordinary people just like you. We invited a group of beta testers by giving them access to Translate to Profit, and guess what? In just 3 days, everyone ended up making cash with it. Even one of the beta testers ended up making $1,180.67 in just 5 days. Here, let me show you how simple it is. Step 1, upload. You'll be given a document or string of text. You'll want to upload this into the Translate to Profit system. Don't worry, this is super simple and doesn't require anything technical. Step 2, translate. Hit the translate button to the language that's needed. 1 mouse click required. And step 3, get paid. Enjoy daily deposits of cash directly into your bank account or PayPal. Withdraw cash anytime you need. After our members follow these 3 steps, they're able to receive payments directly to their PayPal or bank accounts, and you too could start doing the same, but only if you have Translate to Profit. The money we're making never stops coming in. Here, let me show you how easy it is for us to start getting paid. We translated 1 document and made $47.07. We translated 2 documents and made $87.14. We translated 3 documents and made $129.21. And to finish the day, we translated 10 documents and made $530.70. It doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you get paid for translating strings of texts and documents? Now, originally we planned on selling Translate to Profit on a webinar for $997 one time. And although that is a hefty price, plenty would take us up on it, because it would quickly pay for itself. But hey, I get it, $997 is a lot of money to put up front. So, to make this accessible to anyone and everyone out there, I'm going to reduce the price to something that anyone can afford. Just the price of a cheap t-shirt gets you full access to Translate to Profit. However, this discount will not be available to everyone. See, if we let everyone on the planet use Translate to Profit, it would likely become quickly saturated, and we're not going to allow that to happen. So, to ensure that Translate to Profit keeps making its users money, we will only be taking in so many members. Once our capacity is reached, we will close our doors for good. So, if you like the sound of translating strings of text and documents that pays $47 to $67, then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. And to make this a total no-brainer, we'll give you $100 in cash for wasting your time. So, what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. Either you get a copy of Translate to Profit and get paid for translating strings of text and documents into different languages. Both ways, you win. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of Translate to Profit at the lowest price. We'll see you inside.